So very good evening, everyone. So the first important thing that I wanted to share with all of you is with regard to the CA Inter Direct Access Live. Okay, this will be a daily live that will be on the direct taxes paper. I mean the income tax part A of paper number 3, wherein I am going to cover all the concepts of direct taxes as made applicable for May 26, September 26, Jan 27 in a consistent and systematic manner on a daily basis, such that we will have a full-fledged clarity on the entire subject. Along with that, we will also do a decent amount of problems as well. So since so many students are requesting me, okay, regarding the DT live access to the old batches or power play batches, whatever the case may be, I considered all the requests. That's why I asked you, please join the live today, so that I will give a proper clarity on all your doubts. Okay. See, when so many students are requesting on the same, whether we will get the access to the DT live classes or not, at a level of understanding, what I thought is most of the students want the live access for the direct access paper. I mean the income tax part. So what I thought is at a level of understanding between the faculty and the students, I think we are having a long lasting relation from foundation to inter to final. So what I thought is, let me give live access to all the students free of cost through this app. Okay, but persons who bought the classes, they should get an added advantage. For them, we will do some workout sessions, and same live class will be uploaded also in the app one more time, such that even if you miss the live class, you can join the app and you can listen. Remaining students who are really serious about the May examinations or coming September exams, they can join live and they can complete it. So even the old batch students are there, or this batch students, for example, you enrolled for the power play batch at 2,500 for direct tax. Correct? So you will be given two times a view now. Means you can either join live, or you can listen to directly in the recorded app, or you can have access to both, or you can also do another thing. That's what I wanted to tell. There is no commercial intention in this particular direct access, because so many requests every day I am getting. Every day, if I show my WhatsApp, you will get scared. Around 30-40 messages, 100 messages are there. I need to give a reply to all at the end of the day. Everyone is asking, please give live access of DT. Maybe because of the last attempt, they got scared about the direct access paper. And I also strategized in a different way regarding the income tax paper this time. So how we are going to do, you will understand just in another day. Okay, we are going to start directly with the residential status and scope of total income, along with the rates of tax, etc. You will only understand what things we are going to do. But clarity is needed to all the students. That's what I thought. That's why today we are going to begin. First point number 1, I will write and I will show you, such that it will be an evidence also for you. Sir, this is what you said. So that's why clarity's sake. Number 1, CA Inter Direct Tax regular class. Live and online live recorded, which means the live whatever we are taking, anyway it will be recorded parallelly. Oh, sorry, it's not visible for you.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are sitting silent here? You should have told me. And also, yeah. So listen, CA Inter Direct Taxes regular class we are going to start from today. Live, every day live, evening 6:30 to 9. Except on the days if it is not possible for me to take, I will tell in advance. Suddenly I will not tell anything. I will tell in advance. Okay. So every day systematically we will have from 6:30 to 9 o'clock. Next, I'm talking about PM, not AM. Number 3. So first one, CA Inter DT, regular class, live batch, online live and recorded. Means the same live will be recorded, uploaded on the same day. Okay. Night complete and I will encrypt it and I will upload and then I will leave the place. So like that we are planning. So 6:30 to 9 o'clock will be the time. If possible for you, I can start at 6 o'clock also. But because when I asked so many students, now, since you said 6:30, I am sticking on that. Is it possible for all the students joining live now? Is it possible to join at 6 o'clock?
6:30 is better, sir.
Only one student replied.
6:30 is good, sir.
6 or 6:30? 6:30 is good, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 6:30 to 9 we will have the session. Okay. Whenever needed, I will tell you Sunday's time. We can have more lengthy session like 5 hours, 5.5 hours like that. Intention was very clear here. New, fresh, amended recordings I wanted to give to the students. Okay. And we are going to study everything from Bare Act, study material, and the question bank, such that you will be risk free. Bare Act is from the legislature, study material as per the institute, questions will be as per the past trends. So these are the 3 things we are going to do. Okay. With regard to the marks, everything I will tell you once we complete this discussion. So first, CA Inter DT, regular class, live, online live students, sorry, whoever purchased Power Play batch, for them, every day, whatever the live is taken, that will be uploaded into the app. They can get 2 benefits. Number 1, if they join live, they can give that recorded to their friend. I am only telling them directly, take that advantage. It's not about money, it's not about commercial element here. More students should get benefited because a tough paper should be always dealt in a strategic manner. Win-win concept we should go, not on a win-lose concept. So therefore the point is very clear. I will give you double benefit here. You do whatever you want. You want to give to your friend, give it free of cost. You give, no problem. Let him not buy the class. So here buying and not buying cheats, small 2000, 2500. This is not the point. Main intention was what fear you have in the last attempt should not be there after coming to the class. That you need to assure me. That guarantee if you give na, that is the greatest pride for me. Not all these small things. So CA Inter DT regular class, 6:30 to 9 o'clock. And second very important thing. Here we are going to cover 100% of the syllabus. Okay. 100% of the syllabus we are going to cover. When I say 100% of the syllabus sequence, I will tell you first. Okay. In this 100% of the syllabus, the sequence that I am going to follow, first, basics of income tax. Here I am not going to take much of the time. What I am going to do here is, listen carefully. Basics of income tax, already I uploaded on the YouTube channel. Okay. Basics, it has nothing to do with the previous year assessment years. Basics of income tax. Okay. Here I am not going to waste more time. Okay. Normally I have taken around 15 hours in the last batch, regular, for basics of income tax. Means what? From the old age, how the income tax has started, all the basics, that will take around 10-15 hours. But this is not, we have to take, but this is not the time when you are having exams very near. This is not the time to do all those stunts for you. Therefore, you please listen from the YouTube. Okay, basics of income tax. What I will do is, in basics of income tax, amendments came. What came? Amendments came. Amendments came on what? Amendments came to Finance Act 2025. In this, where the amendments have come, rates of tax and slabs. Rates of taxes, slab rates, amendments came. Big amendments, important amendments, relief has changed, rebate has changed, rates have changed, marginal relief amounts will change, surcharges will change, calculations will change. Student require clarity. On the basis of these changed rates, we should also understand scheme of partial integration in agricultural income concept. So these I will cover apart from this particular part. Means what? I will show you. See the screen once. See, the basic concepts of income tax. Direct tax versus indirect tax, the constitutional background, all these I am not going to discuss. Listen to the lecture that was uploaded because that has nothing to do with the Finance Act 2025. Even after 10 years, what is income tax means, I should tell the same. Those things I wanted to save time. First point, everyone listening to the live now on the app, please tell me, are you all okay with this strategy? Yeah? Everyone? Shall I start again from the basics and spend 10 hours and come to the concept? Or can I directly start from the rate of taxes? So that's what I wanted to tell. See, I know what is there in the mind of the student, but I should know now technically. By speaking with you, I will understand whether why I am right or not. I can't take a decision upfront directly. So that's why I'm asking you. I think these things you can manage. These basics, what is income tax, what is the difference, all these things. Anyway, I uploaded this in the channel. Everything I have uploaded already. So what I am going to do is, in this basics, what is extremely important I wanted to consider. Okay, whatever is very, very important, without which we can't understand the concept. In that, the first thing is section 4, tax rates. Okay, section 4, tax rates. And next one is section 2, class 24, marginal relief, rebate, agriculture income and scheme of partial integration. That's it. These are the main things. So what we are going to study in this live, number 1, section 4, number 2, tax rates, number 3, marginal relief, number 4, rebate, number 5, agricultural income and scheme of partial integration. Okay, in the basics of income tax, I am going to discuss these. Doubt will come now, sir. Why, sir, only these you are discussing? Reason, those all have amendments. Whatever I take, and section 4 has no amendment, but section 4 impact is having amendment. Tax rates changes anyway. Marginal relief amounts will change. Rebate change, amended. Agriculture income calculation also will change. Therefore, wherever amendments have come from the previous batch, those I wanted to cover in the basics. From the second chapter onwards, means what? Residential status is there. Not? From there onwards, I am not going to leave anything. From the beginning till the end, we are going to discuss everything. Everybody understood the concept clearly or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, main thing is, these things we are going to cover. Amendments are there. So, you need to know the amended provisions. So, after that amended provisions are completed, then we are going to come to the next area called as residence and scope of total income. Okay, residence status and scope of total income. See, latest trend of ICA I wanted to discuss first. Okay, in the light of making the papers tougher and toughest, what institute can do this time? Residential status is there. Okay, okay, residential status. In this residential status, there are 3 components. Component number 1, residential status of every person, individual, HUF, AOPBY, firm, LLP, and companies, cooperative societies, all. Next one is scope of total income. Scope of total income. Of whom? Of every person. Of whom? Of every person. Okay. This is scope of total income. Next one is special aspects. What is this special aspects? This will contain business connection and related issues. Okay. Mainly here we are going to cover section 9. Section 9. So listen carefully. From this, you can expect a 6 marks question from the next examination. So we are going to do that much of in-depth analysis on every aspect inside this area. At the end of the session, you will know the difference in your learning before and after. Each and every minutest of detail in section 9, incomes deemed to occur or arise in India. We are going to analyze each and every point, understanding the meaning of royalty, fees for technical services, how to interpret that. Each and everything we are going to cover in this particular area called as residential status and scope of total income. Okay, so that we are going to cover. So scheme, let me write down here so that you will understand. First, our sequence is basics of income tax in this selected topics. Second, residential status and scope of total income. Fully we are going to cover. Next, third one, what we are going to do. Okay, third, once the residential status, scope of total income is completed, once these two areas are completely 100%, once we fix that these are done, 100% everything is over, there is nothing left out. Once we feel about it, then we are going to start with salaries. Okay, easy area, but still students are maybe there is an amount of confusion in this area. Salaries, parallelly I will start with the concept of TDS. Okay, salaries chapter. Along with that, we are also going to cover the area called as TDS. Okay, and when I say TDS, TDS, TCS, all these things will come. Okay, appropriately whatever the sections we have to read, those all we are going to read when we are going into the area called as salaries. So salaries chapter parallelly we are also going to cover the concept relating to tax deducted at source. Full. After this I need not tell. Full concept we are going to cover. Nothing I will ask you to listen from any YouTube. YouTube, what I am asking you to read, I will not waste the time again. Read the basics directly. Once you learn the basics from there, remaining concepts I will discuss completely here. Next, after this, other sources. Or I can do one thing, basics of income tax, residential status, scope of total income. Then I will start other sources, also complete that in a short span of max 2 classes. Then we will come to salaries and TDS. Anything we can do, depending on the adjustment at that time. So once we cover these, first 4 sets, we are going to complete the 2 heads. Okay, Next we are going to start with the segment called as clubbing, set off, deductions. Okay, but whichever deductions are linked to salaries, we are going to complete in the salaries chapter itself. Means salaries chapter when we complete, we are not going to just complete salaries along with PF, pension, gratuity, all these things along with the 80C also we are going to cover there itself. Okay, and almost in these deductions 30% to 40% we will cover in the salaries chapter itself. Okay, so when I say salaries, plus linked deductions plus linked TDS areas. Everything we are going to cover. Next, return of income. Okay, return of income. Income tax returns, advance tax, income tax authorities. We are going to cover this. Once we cover, then I will come to PGBP. Finally, we'll come to capital gains. Finally, we'll come to capital gains. So, if you observe capital gains and finally IFHP. So, the importance that we are going to give this time, you can understand. Those who did not even prepare to some extent for the previous attempt, you can cover all these in a sequence. So, first thing what we are going to do, first class, we are going to see the basics of income tax selected topics. Residential status and scope of total income, salaries with the deductions with the TDS, income from other sources, clubbing, set off, deductions, return of income, advance tax, income tax authorities, PGBP, capital gains, IFHP. This is how the sequence will follow. Max 1 or 2 adjustments may be made. Means maybe I can first deal with some sections of PGBP after other sources, some section, not all. Depreciation we can cover as a separate chapter, like that 1 or 2, but entire syllabus we are going to cover. The only thing that I am asking students to listen from YouTube is basics. In this also, what you need to see, basics which does not have any link with any assessment year. And a general basics of income tax. What is income? What is capital receipt? What is a revenue receipt? What do you mean by mutuality principle? Those things, like if you can save time, in these things we will spend lot of time. Everybody understood the point clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So the point is very clear here. One more time I am telling you. This is a wholehearted attempt to make you pass in the coming examination with confidence. So how it will go, you will see na? Just one class once completed, you will only understand. So how we are going to do? In a consistent, systematic manner, we are going to cover each and every area and we will complete them. Okay, well? So the main point that I wanted to tell is basics of income tax, residential status, scope of total income, salaries, TDS, other sources, clubbing, set of deductions, return of income, advance tax, income tax authority, PGBP, capital gains, IFHP. This is the sequence in which we are going to follow. So first, we are going to start with basics of income tax. Basics of income tax. First of all, if you say yes up to here, okay, then we will be moving on further. Up to here, everyone had a clarity, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So, this is what I wanted to announce. That's why I asked everyone, please join live. And those who could not join live by any reason, please inform them. Okay, well? Please inform them without fail. Let them also take the benefit. Why to lose unnecessarily? But one thing I wanted to tell you. We will be giving you one Google form. I will write here. If you have clarity. Okay. In this Google form, you have to fill your phone number, email. That's all. I don't want your SRO numbers and all those things. Phone number, email. For these people, we will add to our app. Okay, not that app, this app. Okay, whatever you are now joined in this app, I will add. Only to those students, live access will be given. Intention was very clear. You are not coming to. Hey, please mute here. Vinodini, please mute, mute, mute. Okay, see. Just a minute. Okay. Am I audible and clear?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So my point is, you give your phone number, email ID, such that we can add it to your link and we will give the class to you. Okay. So the phone number and email ID, once you give to those students only, we will give the access. Why? Reason should be there now for anything. Reason is, you are not coming to a party. We are not doing any disco party here. Whenever you need, you will come. Whenever you wanted to leave, you will go. Like that, access will not be given. Only serious students will continue with me. Sir, I wanted to pass CA Inter May 26, Pakka. I have no alternative. Okay. Those students only I want. Even if one student join that way, very good. If those also won't come, I will continue my class. But when I am doing something for good to the students, students should not give any revolt against me. They're coming, going, whenever they want, they are coming live, whenever they want, they will exit. If you join live, you stay live. If you don't want, you need not join. But once you join, I assume that you are serious like me. You wanted to do something good to your career for the coming examination. I May or September or Jan, it is dependent on your attempt. Okay. So therefore, no other outsider will be allowed. Means normally what I am doing, I am sending you a link. That link, if you click, you can join. Like that, it will not be from next. So I will enroll, only those enrolled students can join. Non-enrolled students cannot join the class. Are you having clarity of what I said now?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing. So my point is very clear. Yeah? I will give open access to everyone. Just to fill the Google form and enroll to show your seriousness. I am not even asking that 1 rupee. Na? No need. But you enroll. If you enroll, na, that shows your seriousness to join. I will enroll you. You join. And again, we will make attendance of all the students on a daily basis. Any continuous absence beyond 3 days without a prior intimation, I will remove you. No doubt in that. Okay. Because I told again and again that seriousness is what required to qualify first. Dilly-dallying and just like that coming to the class will not give a success. Because we are going for a professional course and the standards are increased. And people are saying also that they are integrating AI to the questions. I don't think so that they will integrate everything, but still, we should not take risk. Na? So therefore, my point is clear. Give your phone number, give your email, give the details. First 3 days like this, I will give open link. My team will be feeding all the details and prepare everything for you. From that day onwards, these rules will come into place. Till then, I will give open access, you can join. Okay. So max 2-3 days it will take, because manually they have to feed everything to the app and they need to generate a link for you. You click that, you will join. Only those who are enrolled can join. So give that number, give that email ID which you use permanently. Did you understand what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Give that number, give that email ID which you use permanently. Don't just give normal number. So next. So this is the point here. It is a regular class, 6:30 to 9:30, 100% syllabus will be covered except the basic concepts. I told what to do with the basics. Next one is the Google form I will give you. Fill that. Next. Next one. For those who have taken the power play batch, they will get double benefit. They can join live and they will also get the app upload. Along with that, they will get workout batch access free. Okay. This I have to do separately and I will upload only for those who are in the app. Okay. So this is the thing. And some problems we will do in the class itself. Additional workout, everything. I will give it separately to take. If you anyone want, you can take, or else no need. You can do you can solve your problems on your own. Okay. So this is the power play batch. They will get anyway the app upload. Along with that, live also will be given to you. Okay. Next. Number 6. Number 6. What about the resources? First point number 1. Please download the Bare Act from income tax website. Okay, from income tax website, download the Bare Act and keep it with you. A laptop, wherever you want, you can have. Next, ISM, Institute Study Material, please have on hand. May 26 onwards, amended material is available on ICA website, which I am using now. That book you need to have with you. Don't buy anything, don't waste your money. There is nothing beyond study material. So ISM. Question bank updated. I will give you at the end of February. Sir, Feb end, your exam is in May. Okay? Our batch A will be completed by Feb 25th, like that. Okay, till then it will run. Then Feb end ki book will be ready. Question bank updated with all amendments. Then you can start your practice in the month of March and April. During the classes anyway, we will do all the study material questions. Study material totally 212 questions are there. We will do those in the class. Other than study material, any question bank questions are there. Those they will be available at the end of Feb. So you can do them. Clear everyone to this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So don't buy anything. This question bank also I will release as a PDF. Okay, I will put it as a PDF. Also available as a book for purchase. No, sir, I don't want to spend, means happy, no problem, you can take the PDF. Okay. So, Bare Act will be there, ISM and question bank. Question bank is the last part. First, Bare Act, ISM. Okay, well, these are the two things. Next one. Level of preparation that is required. Recently, I told you one thing in the social media also I kept. FM law, one question came from CA final. Have you seen that video now, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone, have you seen that at least? Do you know that I made that video?
Yes, sir.
So that actually came. I'm shown with proof now. Like that in recent DT paper also, they touched so many aspects from the final. Therefore, my fear started. So I felt for the first time, for CS inter students, I felt scared because institute is testing questions which has a standard of CA final. Therefore, I thought that there is a need for inter students to have the flavor of final. Okay, we should not restrict our teaching just at inter level. I'm not telling final syllabus I will teach you. At that level, we need to teach. Means what? Till now, normally CA inter means, for example, I will give you an example. Business connection. There is one area in resident status. Business connection means we will just tell that income from business connection, income deemed to accrue or arise in India. That's it. But what is business connection? What is a concept inside? How the possibility can come? Never I taught before, and for that case, no one will, because study material only business connection is there. But this time I decided when I touch business connection, I will be telling how questions can be framed around the business connection concept in the coming exam by touching non-residents. By touching whom? Non-residents. So how it is possible? Each and every aspect surrounding the concept of business connection, we are going to discuss. Like that, you will see a change in the teaching pattern also because of the latest question paper of DT. Clear? So the advancement that we will make, you will never experience before like this. That guarantee I will give you. The way you read the concepts, the way you approach towards the concept through the Bare Act study. After that, we'll see the study material as well. Clear? Clubbing of income is there. How we will read, how we solve the problems, you will see. Just in a while, once completed, you will only understand. So listen carefully to the point. We are going to cover each and every aspect. Mainly, we are going to concentrate on non-residents. On what? Non-residents. So I am putting a star mark, non-residents. Institutes love towards the non-resident. Wherever non-residents are there, those are coming in exam. So let us touch non-residents at a higher level. Let us understand non-resident tax properly. Non-resident taxation actually applicable for final, not for inter. But non-resident definition is there in your syllabus. Therefore, what they are asking, TDS and non-residents, rental income of non-residents. Non-residents mean they are asking questions. Are you understanding, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
So in that non-resident, business connection also will come. So I am going to put lot of efforts this time on making you understand the entire tax regime for the non-resident at the inter level. Discussion will be made on par with the final, but as applicable for CA inter, I am not going to tell anything other than your syllabus. But anything extra other than your syllabus, if I am telling now, that is only for your betterment in understanding. Okay. See, there is one concept called as a place of effective management. POEM. Generally, people call it poem. POEM. Place of effective management. That's there in final. Okay. But I will just tell you when I am discussing about business connection residence status, I will just give you some hints of, okay, a small hint of what is a POEM and how it affects residence status. Those also, if I tell, if anything comes in examination at a higher level, student will be able to solve the answers. Clarity, yeah, everyone?
Yes.
So, therefore, level of preparation we are going to do at a high standard this time. Okay. Final level clarity with the inter syllabus. Okay. And it's very deep. Let us go and analyze each and every provision. Let's not take any chance. 1% also don't take risk. After the latest question papers, I lost trust on ICAI. Okay. So they are going to such an end where if they wanted to ask a tough question, they are going to extreme end. Even in that case, if we have to qualify means, you need to have in-depth knowledge. But I can tell you one thing here. Learn income tax the right way. Never in life you will struggle back for income tax again. Even after qualifying, you will set a practice on income tax or international taxation, something like that you will go. Because these subjects are all practically used in real life. I will do, you will do, everyone will do. Okay. So therefore, please listen carefully. We are going to have the session to sum up everything. Inter-DT regular, 6:30 to 9, 100% syllabus. Fill the Google form. I will release today by night or by tomorrow morning. Okay, I will release. PowerPlay batch students will get live access as well as app upload as well as a workout batch access. Resources, thereact you need to take from IT website. ISM, keep it. Hey, sir, I have old ISM, sir. Please throw them away. Take a printout at least. Institute is releasing open access, na? Printout. So May 26th onwards, don't buy any book for income tax. Properly follow study material. Because even if you follow any book, that book will be anyway copy paste for CA Institute book only. They will include CA Institute. Even if I have to prepare, what I will do, same Institute book will copy paste will be there again in a different format, in a different interface, different colors will be there. That's it. Okay. So therefore, don't unnecessarily spend money. That's what my point. Question bank, updated question bank will be available by Feb end. All the questions of study material we will anyway do from the forgot to tell. Sorry. This I wanted to tell to you. The level of preparation, for example, whatever the concepts I am writing here, okay, basics, residence status, okay, salary, TDS, other sources, clubbing, setup, deduction, return of income, PGBP, capital gain, IFHP, everything, whatever you are seeing on the screen, these all are 50% of CA final portion. How much? 50% of CA final portion. These are. The remaining 50%, sir, in CA final, it will be covered by assessment of various entities. Assessment of firm, assessment of LLP, assessment of HF, assessment of BO, assessment of cooperative society, assessment of business trust, investment trust, alternate investment trust, or charitable organizations. Okay, assessment of foreign institutional investors, those all. Along with that assessment process, appeals, revisions, searches, settlement commission, advance ruling, general anti-avoidance rules, international taxation, non-resident taxation, NRI taxation, transfer pricing provisions, DTA, a double taxation avoidance relief. All these are the remaining areas that will be added at final. A balance 50K. Okay. This forms what a 50%. What I wanted to promise you is whenever we complete a concept, for example, I will tell you. I completed PDS. I completed what? PDS. PDS, 85% of CA Inter is applicable at CA Final also. And a CA Final, CA Inter plus another 15% is there. Okay, that's why if you see CA Inter TDS, 160, 170 pages is there, TDS. Final 220 pages. 30, 40 pages, there is an addition. Therefore, wherever we are reading, in all these areas, whatever concept we complete, I will make you to do CA final questions. Hello, everyone listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, we are doing other sources. I will not just make you do CA inter questions. Same syllabus is there also at CA final, na? Advanced questions. Those we will do here itself. Two advantages again. Final, whatever is there, you will be ready now itself. And moreover, that confidence. I have done CA final questions on these areas. I'm not just doing CA inter. Okay. See, this looks amazing when you say, but that amount of hard work also we need to do. So same concept, sections are same, concept is same. Then what wrong in doing those questions? So I will put those questions also for you. Not those questions I will put. You take PDF of, not PDF. You can download CA final, other sources, PGBP, capital gain, etc. Okay. So IFHP salaries anyway not there in final level. Remaining capital gains, others, all these are there. Na? We will do at that level only. Until we will do all questions on inter-study material. Along with that, we will also do the final study material questions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This will help you more. This will help you more in chapters like PGBP, capital gains, so other sources, clubbing the set of these areas. The advanced questions comes at final. Those questions I will make you do because syllabus is same anyway. Clear? So,
Yes, sir.
this is the thing I wanted to tell. Okay, well? So this is how we are going to cover. And sequence, as I said, first we will start with basics of income tax. Next one, resident status, scope of total income. Maybe I start first with other sources because fastly we can complete concepts. Other sources will complete. Later I will go to some other concepts and then I may come to salary and TDS. But I will cover everything in this particular area in the syllabus. Okay. My only request is those who did not listen to the basics, please go YouTube channel I uploaded. Basics of income tax you prepare properly. Okay. Well? So at least some basic concepts such that I will be comfortable in starting directly in the tomorrow's class from the rates of tax. Okay. So such that if you can listen next to 2-3 hours, if you spend and listen to the basics, then tomorrow's class I will start directly with the Finance Act 2025 rates of tax. Okay. Marginal relief, rates of tax, agricultural income, scope of total income. Scheme of partial integration. All those things we can cover in the next class. Are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Jan 26th, Republic Day. This is what we are going to take a resolution. Okay, well? So, DT, free live classes in app will be uploaded for those who have taken the Power Play batch. Okay, so this is the announcement that I wanted to make with regard to the direct taxes. Okay, well? And in the month of March, maybe in the March 2nd week, I am going to conduct free FM marathon for 6 days, face to face at Chennai. Icon classes, West Mambalam. This will be in the 2nd week of March. We are going to conduct a face-to-face marathon. Okay. So those who wanted to enroll, you can enroll. That details also will come very soon. Final AFM we are conducting anyway. Once the final AFM is completed, then we will be moving on with this. So it's a free marathon for the students to attend face to face, such that you will get more clarity. Okay, well? So this is the thing that I wanted to tell you all. So I think this announcement might be useful for you. I think that you will make a best use of it. Tomorrow, Google form will be released maximum by today night or tomorrow early morning. I will release the Google form. Fill that, and those who fill from 2 days after, and 28th onwards, we will have in-app access only. I will not give free access to anyone. Free means I'm not talking about monetary free and costly. I'm talking about no open access, only to those who are serious, who enroll through the Google form. To those only it will be given. And Google form will be open only for 3 days. Means what? I will not make it open for 20 days whenever you wanted to join. No. 28th if the Google form opens, 28, 29, 30. That's it. 30th night it will close. In that 3 days, whoever enroll will be given a free access to all of them. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the thing that I wanted to tell.
Yes, sir.
So hopefully this will be useful for all of you. Okay. So we will be joining live tomorrow, same time, 6:30 in the evening, through this app only directly, so that you can have an open access and you can clear. So tomorrow target, let me tell you first now itself, basics of income tax law, some bare basics I will cover. After that, I will be going directly into the understanding of Finance Act. After that, the rates of tax, marginal relief, surcharge computations, all those things we are going to do. Clear, everyone?
Yes. And when will
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you have any doubts, you can ask. FM live.
yes, sir.
Originally, that was live only. Face to face, we converted just because so many students in Chennai are asking me, please conduct face to face. We couldn't see live for so many number of hours. That's why we planned face to face. Or else originally it's live only.
Okay, sir. That's 6 days marathon class, sir.
6 days. Wherever you are, try to attend for those 6 days in Chennai. Face to face, if you cover it, the impact will be completely different. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. I actually purchased regular classes of DT on 10 days back. So, for September 10%. So, is it advisable for me to watch this class and enroll this class, or is it better for me to go for
See, my point is very simple. These classes only will be there also in regular. Okay, na? Point number 1. If you want to join live, you can join. But once you join live, you will have double access. Number 1, by February, you will complete the syllabus. One time it will be over. Whenever you need to revise, you can again go back and you can listen if you forget any concept.
Okay.
Okay. I recommend join live.
Yes,
Hmm?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you will get double access. Now, what's wrong in that?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Sir, in case of workout batch, sir, I have a very good, sir.
One person at a time. Nandishwaran.
Yes, sir. Sir, in case of workout batch, do we have both live and recorded, or only the recordings will be there?
Workout batch.
Yes, sir.
Workout batch is recorded only because I will record whenever I find time. Regular class I will anyway do, but workout I will do whenever I find time. I will upload. Next, someone is asking the question.
Sir, sir, I'm writing my group 2 exams in this after Jan 26, sir, and it is going till 31st January. So how would I join the live from tomorrow, sir?
Oh, exams are postponed. ICI makes our life miserable always. So you are writing your exams on Jan 31st.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You enroll, no problem. Basics, everything will be there in the first initial 1 or 2 days. Nothing will be there. Nothing will be there means definitely something will be there. But those you can manage also. Okay. Anyway, first 3-4 days I will put on YouTube now. What's the point? No problem for you, right?
Okay, sir.
One thing I can do, up to 31st, whatever is discussed, I will put on YouTube.
Thank you so much, sir.
Then people like you also will get that satisfaction that you listen.
Yes, sir.
That I can
Thank you
do.
so much.
Next. Anyone else?
Sir, sir, I'm
Yes, yes.
sir, in playback is available on website. FM are all classes uploaded. I want to purchase.
FM, everything is already uploaded, 100%. Shall I show you now?
Okay,
100% it is uploaded. Okay.
okay, sir.
Working capital chapter also I am making new recordings and I will remove the old one and I will upload the new ones, including factoring all those things. So no worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next.
Today evening I purchased full power playback, but no content found there.
Which one?
Costing.
Costing actually, I wanted to tell if anyone has also have taken. Tabi sir went to Kashmir. He came today only. Tomorrow he will upload all the videos at once. Okay, va?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
He came today only. So he said he will upload by today night. Tomorrow evening you will get all the classes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what about
Yes, sir. Last attempt itself we uploaded everything. But share capital chapter, some audio issues are there. I am recording now. Morning time that only I am doing. So those audio issues, 3 videos are there. I am removing and putting the new ones. Those are amended because they are recorded just 2.5 months back.
Sir, is there any testing for this?
See, point is, this time I wanted to concentrate on more on the result. On classes, I wanted to concentrate. So what I'm doing is, I'm not going to think anything about any tests or something like because it is diluting my classes. So I don't wanted to do that. So test series March we will start. Till March 15th, I'm not going to think about test series or something like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because anyway, I promised to the students that in the month of March we are going to have tests. At that time, I will put the tests. As of now, we did not plan any regular tests in a week time. Okay.
Yes, sir, the test only we can join, sir, if we did not buy that batch.
No problem. You can join. You can join. Not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
sir, regarding law, I hope there is no much difference in the previous question bank and the new question bank.
No difference. Yeah. New question bank. Why I released this? Just it's a format differences. That's it. Okay. That's it. It's the actual difference between iPhone 16 and 17.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's it. Now, no difference. Just some interface difference will be there. Something creatively, I should also think now, attempt after attempt. So that's why every 3 attempts I will change entire interface. But charts book you need to take because that contain entire charts. Never I released before.
Yes, sir.
That will be extremely useful. That is new. 100% it's a new product.
Sir, for law, is it sufficient to watch that marathon which you have uploaded in YouTube, sir?
Marathons, you can never ask me that question sufficient because in marathon, how it will be sufficient? Marathon is only for those who covered everything. Fastly, if you want to revise, that will be useful. That's all. You will get overall conceptual clarity because a normal class 180 hours, 30 hours, if I, 25 hours, if I cover something, how can you compare 20 with 180? Yes.
Good evening, sir. I have purchased a inform and application expired options, sir. But I didn't watch a working capital. Is there any solution to watch that, right?
Working capital already uploaded on YouTube. Link also I shared in WhatsApp group multiple times. 6 hours I completed entire working capital. Okay. Or else I will upload one. I will link it one more time in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Next, any question?
Yes, Would it be on a full day basis or on an hourly basis?
No, it is.
Full day basis or as an hourly basis? Let's say like 6:30 to 9 or somewhere.
No, class starts from 8 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock at night. 8 to 8.
Okay, sir.
Okay, va? Because I want to cover everything in 6 days.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
No, I just asked regarding that because I'm in college going. That is why.
Those 6 days you plan accordingly. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Clear, everyone? Can we close the session for today? Tomorrow onwards, can we begin? Monday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. I will give enough time for you to write the notes as well. Everything will be very clear for you. So tomorrow onwards, maintain a book and a pen with you, along with a study material document and a calculator. Don't miss these two. Bring to the class. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Good night.